Jasmy Value Expectation 2022. The greatest total cost forecast for 2022 truly is $0. Jasmy Value Expectation 2023. Jasmy cost expectation for 2023 is 1 cent given the cost of Jasmy rises half from now, or so they thought. Jasmy Value Expectation 2025. The year 2025 may not actually be essentially as productive as 2021 really was for Jasmy. Jasmy's cost is especially anticipated to in every way that really matters stay underneath 2 cents even toward the finish of 2025, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Jasmy Value Expectation 2030. Jasmy is anticipated to be 13 cents in the year 2030 in a significant way. Is Jasmy a kind of wise speculation? Indeed, Jasmy is in every way that really matters wise speculation, which generally is genuinely huge. Peruse on for more data, which explicitly is genuinely critical. What sort of is Jasmy coin, which generally is genuinely huge? Jasmy coin truly is a utility token and truly depends on the ERC20 convention in a genuinely enormous manner. Here explicitly are a few realities about Jasmy crypto. Jasmy basically is a blockchain stage zeroed in on giving information security and sharing administrations in the IoT period. Jasmy as an association grows essentially decentralized IoT stages utilizing an especially decentralized capacity organization, or so they really thought. Jasmy stage generally is utilized to really make and keep up with the framework important for putting away, getting to, and trading information by the information proprietors, or so they by and large thought. To by and large accomplish this, Jasmy follows 4 stages. The means are metadata stockpiling, making an ID vivid games universes IoT gadgets and hardware. Jasmy in a real sense has been created as an information security pretty token in a significant manner. In lovely different words, the Jasmy stage permits clients to get their information in the information storage, which by and large is very huge. It in a real sense is intended for the 2 people and corporates in a fundamentally significant manner. On the off chance that an especially individual or a corporate explicitly needs to get to the information, they should in every practical sense pay in Jasmy coins to get to it, which basically is genuinely critical. Key stages in the initial step. With the assistance of the Web of Things, clients can securely store code, text, data, pictures, recordings, movement, and sound for metaverse by and large purposes in an essentially huge manner. When this in every practical sense is finished, Jasmy gives an unchanging, kind of remarkable and truly decentralized personality arrangement in an unobtrusive manner. It especially helps the blockchain to lay out a computerized personality certainly. In the sort of following stage, the Jasmy convention empowers the creation and capacity of characters, gear, skins, and other metaverse game resources as non-fungible tokens. Jasmy blockchain likewise gives a stage to utilizing IoT advances, sensor modules, expanded reality, and VR gadgets in a by and large significant manner. The clients truly are even permitted to trade the Jasmy coins with products identical to the worth of the Jasmy coin on Jasmy's co-administrators amazingly. Is Jasmy coin an especially wise venture? Or so they generally thought. No, Jasmy truly is definitely not a for the most part wise speculation while it surely offers a few benefit and security. The interest for Jasmy tokens explicitly is probably not going to fundamentally be somewhat enormous as buyers and organizations have genuinely different choices in an every practical sense, large way. Hence, Jasmy basically is totally certainly reliant upon certainly overabundance liquidity to develop. In total, an exceptionally speculative digital currency. This is shown in the exhibition this year, in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Not at all like most altcoins, Jasmy started to fall commonly a whole lot sooner in February and has lost 90% of its worth. It basically has fallen a certainly further 30% from June 17th, in spite of prevalent thinking. A day that especially is viewed as the base for really numerous digital currencies. It explicitly is genuinely conceivable that Jasmy will recuperate soon, however that generally is provided that the utilization cases especially grow. And there in every practical sense is an adequate base market for certainly such a cryptographic money, which explicitly is very huge. Utilizations of Jasmy coin. Jasmy basically is a blockchain stage zeroed in on giving information security and sharing administrations in the IoT period. As an association, Jasmy creates decentralized IoT stages utilizing it in every practical sense. Decentralized capacity organization. Here explicitly are the most certainly uses of Jasmy coin. Jasmy coin. The ERC20 coin most certainly assumes a significant part in fueling the stage in a by and large significant manner. It sort of is the local especially badge of the Jasmy biological system, and in this way it generally is utilized as administration as well as a gaming especially token on Jasmy games. Or so they certainly thought. Jasmy coin sort of is utilized for purchasing in-game resources in Jasmy games. Jasmy, in every way that really matters, is utilized for marking and as well as remunerations on the Jasmy stage in a significant manner. Since Jasmy is worried about information security, Jasmy coin essentially is utilized to get to information accessible in Jasmy's information storage spaces. Jasmy coin explicitly is likewise utilized for deciding on the Jasmy stage in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy value expectation 2023 to 2030 in opposition to mainstream thinking. Jasmy value expectation 2022, which fundamentally is very huge. For 2022 end, Jasmy is anticipated to be $0, which for the most part is very critical. Jasmy value forecast 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Jasmy cost expectation 2023 in a real sense is 1 cent given the cost of Jasmy to the most part rises half from now, which really is very critical. Jasmy value expectation 2025, or so they thought. The year 2025 may not actually be essentially as productive as 2021 was for Jasmy, or so they generally thought. Jasmy's cost is anticipated to fundamentally stay underneath 2 cents even toward the finish of 2025, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. Be that as it may, this cost expectation generally depends on the ongoing force. If the kind of current standpoint of the crypto market improves, Jasmy's cost might reach higher than the anticipated cost. In any case, at this point, Jasmy is anticipated to reach 2 cents toward 2025 in an unpretentious manner's end. Jasmy value forecast 2030. The year 2030 may end up being marginally productive for Jasmy according to the expectation, or so they basically thought. Jasmy is anticipated to essentially be 13 cents in the year 2030 in a by and large huge manner. How generally is Jasmy unique and who really are its rival in an unobtrusive manner? Jasmy most certainly is intended for IoT, the Web of Things. Presently, what in a real sense is the Web of Things, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking? IoT, or the Web of Things generally, is the association between gadgets through the web empowering the sharing and getting of information between these gadgets in an unpretentious manner. The gadgets could explicitly be PCs, vehicles, telephones, and so forth. As a blockchain, Jasmy generally is worried about metaverse information security and trade incredibly. With the universe of metaverse growing, one huge issue inside the metaverse and blockchain universes is the absence of a powerful, decentralized information capacity framework. In spite of mainstream thinking, Jasmy generally comes into in a real sense play in this field and subsequently separated itself from the remainder of the blockchain. With metaverse applications based on the organization can explicitly lay out most certainly direct extensions for information trade between themselves in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy offers a protected, client-situated climate in which information can essentially be put away, saved, or traded. Could Jasmy at any point explicitly arrive at $10, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking? Taking a gander at the especially current economic situation, it especially is extremely much in every practical sense impossible for Jasmy to reach $10 in 2022 or even in 2025 in a sort of large manner. What will Jasmy explicitly be somewhat worth in 2030?